my version of Croatian Cobanac. First of all, you take the onions and the garlic and the pancetta and put it in the pan. As you can see, I've got some baby onions in there, which I bought down at the green markets in Split. You can use beef, you can use horse, or you can use lamb.
And is this your first use of horse?
And this is my meat that I'm cooking. I think it's beef.
What is it?
I think it's beef.
I hope it's beef.
But I had some problems with communicating with the bloke at the butcher. After this, I'll put some water into this and leave it for a little while. Then I'm going to fry off the meat, put them all in together, cover that with water, let that go for about an hour. Then I'm going to add some potato and some carrots and some oregano and some bay leaves and some chicken stock and leave it go for a while longer.
Yum!
And some tomato paste.
And what was this?
A rum and coke.
Okay, and that went into the dish?
No, bread. I think that's one of the nicest things I've ever eaten. The bread. The bread. Bread. You know how I normally wait for you. It's every man for himself.
Vrati.